Can a single idea possess the potential to reshape our modern world? Meet Sam Altman, a tech maverick who dared to embrace the unknown, facing challenges with unwavering resolve. Altman embarked on a journey few would dare to undertake, and his remarkable journey serves as compelling evidence of his core belief. Innovation is born from embracing the unknown. Join us as we dive headfirst into the origins of Altman's revolutionary odyssey, fueled by his insatiable hunger for innovation, which catapulted him into extraordinary ventures. Imagine a platform propelling startups to heights they could only dream of. That's what Sam Altman created with Y Combinator. This wasn't just another business incubator, it was a revolution. Altman and his team turned the startup accelerator industry on its head, providing seed funding, mentorship, and resources to thousands of fledgling companies. Under Altman's leadership, Y Combinator became a launchpad for some of the most innovative startups of our time. From Dropbox to Airbnb, many of today's tech giants found their footing with Y Combinator. He believed in the transformative power of startups, famously saying, "Startups change the world." And indeed they do. But Altman's vision was not limited to creating successful businesses. He saw the potential for startups to solve pressing societal problems, to disrupt stagnant industries, and to drive technological innovation. But Altman's vision extended beyond just startups. He was on a mission to reshape the entire tech landscape. Ever wondered how some people seem to have a knack for predicting the future of tech? Sam Altman is one of those people. After revolutionizing the startup accelerator industry, Altman shifted his focus towards tech leadership and venture capital. His unnatural ability to spot potential and his true faith in innovation led him to invest in companies that would go on to shape the digital landscape. Altman didn't just throw in his capital, he threw in his belief in the transformative power of bold ideas. He knows that it's the audacious, the outrageous, that's impossible ideas that lead to breakthroughs. This mantra guided his investments in companies that are now household names. His approach to investment isn't about playing it safe, it's about betting on the future. With his investments bearing fruit, Altman set his sights on a new frontier: artificial intelligence. What if AI could be harnessed for the greater good? Sam Altman asked this question, and OpenAI was his answer. Altman saw an opportunity to harness the power of artificial intelligence, not just for technological advancement, but for the improvement of human society. He became deeply involved with OpenAI, an organization with a mission to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. OpenAI is not without its challenges. Developing AI that's both safe and beneficial is a complex task, one that requires a delicate balance between innovation and ethical responsibility. But these challenges didn't deter Altman. Instead, they fueled his ambition. He saw in AI a tool to solve humanity's biggest challenges, from climate change to disease eradication. This belief became his guiding principle, his commitment to AI as a force for good. AI can solve humanity's biggest challenges, Altman has said. But his vision for AI wasn't confined to OpenAI, he had a broader goal in mind. How does OpenAI affect our everyday lives? Let's delve deeper. OpenAI's mission to ensure that artificial general intelligence, AGI, benefits all of humanity is not just a grand vision, it's a practical commitment. OpenAI is developing AI technologies that are already being used in various sectors like healthcare, education, and transportation. For example, AI diagnostics tools are helping doctors make accurate diagnoses, AI tutoring systems are personalizing education for students, and AI algorithms are optimizing transportation systems for efficiency and safety. These are just a few instances of how OpenAI's technologies are making a tangible difference in people's lives. But it's not just about the technology, it's about the impact. It's about using AI to solve real-world problems, to make lives better, to make society more equitable. Altman once said, "AI can solve humanity's biggest challenges." And through OpenAI, he's making that vision a reality. And as we move forward, this is the vision that continues to guide OpenAI's work. What does it mean to lead responsibly in the tech industry? Sam Altman provides an answer through his actions. With a dedication to public service, he's not just shaping the future, but ensuring it's one we all want to be a part of. As CEO of OpenAI, he's in the driver's seat, steering us towards a possible future where artificial intelligence benefits everyone. Altman is not just building the future, he's building a future that's inclusive, ethical, and fair. Altman's belief in the importance of ethical tech leadership is resounding. Tech should benefit everyone. It's a powerful statement, a guiding principle that is reflected in his actions every day. Now let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The impact of Sam Altman's work on the tech industry and society is undeniable. He's not just a successful entrepreneur or an innovative tech leader, he's a visionary, shaping the way we think about technology startups in the future. Sam Altman's journey is a testament to the power of innovation, the value of bold ideas, and the importance of ethical tech leadership. From the unknown, he has charted a path to success that continues to inspire and change the world.